Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Xiaomi's Fabult fans won't need to wait much longer as the company has confirmed the massive Mi Max 3 will launch on July 19th. The company posted the announcement on its MIUI forum, adding a teaser image in the process. The picture confirms the 7:30 p.m. GMT +8 kickoff next Thursday, but it also gives us a rough idea of the Fabult's size. If you've got huge hands or just want a huge screen, this should be for you. We've heard about quite a few specs already though, owing to previous leaks and a listing on China's TNA regulatory body. According to TNA, the Mi Max 3 will have a 6.9-inch Full HD screen, 18:9, paired with a massive 5,400 mAh battery. Other notable specs include 3GB to 6GB of RAM, 32GB to 128GB of expandable storage, and an unnamed 1.8 GHz octa-core chipset. The Mi Max family usually follows the Redmi Note series when it comes to chipsets, so we're expecting the Redmi Note 5 Pro Snapdragon 636 processor here. Xiaomi might not be well known in the West, but it's popular in many Asian countries. It was the fourth largest smartphone manufacturer by market share in China last year, according to Counterpoint. It beat Apple by. Xiaomi's Fabult will also have a dual camera setup. One shooter is a 12MP camera, 5MP selfie snapper, IR blaster, a rear fingerprint scanner, and Android 8.1. We've also seen reports of a Mi Max 3 Pro, packing a higher-end Snapdragon 710 chipset for better performance. But we'll need to wait until July 19th for confirmation of this.